Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Nutella muffins. First, gather all your ingredients and preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, whisk together 1 large egg, 1/2 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Once those are well combined, gently fold in 1/2 cup of Nutella until just incorporated. This creates the rich, moist base for our muffins. Now, in a separate medium bowl, combine 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Whisk these dry ingredients together until they are evenly distributed. Next, gradually add the dry mixture to your wet ingredients. Stir gently with a spatula until just combined. Overmixing can lead to tough muffins, so stop as soon as no dry streaks remain. Prepare your muffin tin by lining a 12-cup pan with paper liners. Evenly distribute the batter among the 12 cups, filling each one about 2/3 full. For an extra treat, add a small dollop of Nutella on top of each muffin before baking, swirling it gently. Bake in your preheated oven for 18 to 22 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean and the tops are golden brown. Once baked, let your delicious Nutella muffins cool in the muffin pan for about 5 minutes. This helps them set and makes them easier to remove without breaking. After 5 minutes, carefully transfer the muffins to a wire rack to cool completely. They are wonderful warm, but also great at room temperature. Enjoy these delightful treats with your morning coffee or as a sweet snack. And for a clean home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.